Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 fifth lesson introduction to Euclid geometry exercise 5.1. This is very simple and easy exercise. Let's start. First question, see beta. Which of the following statements are true, which are false, and give reason for your answer. See here, which questions are true, which are false, we have to write it, and we will write the give reason also we have to write. First question, see here. Only one line can pass through a single point. Single point to only one line can pass, he is telling. It is a false. See beta, why see here? Single point I am taking. See here. Here single point to how many lines are passed? See here. Here one line I am drawing. See here. Again one more line I am drawing. See here. One more also chance is there. See, I am drawing single point to these all lines I am drawing. See here. One more. Like this, how many are possible? See here, infinitely number of possible. So here he is telling only one line. Single point to only one line. So it is a false. Infinitely many lines can pass through a point in different directions. See here, like this, how many infinite number of lines we can pass through a single point. So this answer is false. You write the reason also. Okay. Next, second question. See, there are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. So I am taking 2 points. See, two distinct points. See here, now I am joining. See here, two distinct points to how many lines possible? Only one line is possible. So he is telling number of lines, infinite number of lines. So it is a false. You can write the reason. Through two distinct points, only one line can pass. See here, two lines to only one line. 1 point to you can write infinite number of lines. This is the answer. Okay. Now third question. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. This is the question. See, a terminated line. See, I am taking a terminated line. Terminated line means line segment. See, line segment. I am joining here. A terminated line. See, this is what is there. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. See here, I am taking here one terminated line AB. You can extend indefinitely. See here, both sides you can extend this one. See here, you can extend this side also. You can extend this side also. So this is what? This is a true. A terminated line segment can be produced indefinitely on both sides given line. Okay, it is a true answer. This is a so this is which postulate? This is a postulate 2. So you can take postulate. This is a postulate 2 is a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. So it is a true. A terminated line segment is there means you extend both sides, it's become a line. So this is a postulate. This answer is the true. If two circles are equal, then the radii are equal. Radii means plural. Radius means one single radius is there means we can write we can say radius. More is there means we can say the radii. If two circles are equal, then radii are equal. See beta, I am taking two circles. See here, this is one circle. Okay. Same radius to same measurement to I am taking one more circle. See here. See here two circles are there. See here, if two circles are equal, then radii also equal. See here, now this both radius are equal. This is a true. See here, this radius also equal, and again this radius also equal. Why means you will get the same area. You will get same area. So same measurement to you are drawing a circle. You will get the same area and same radius. So it is a true. Two circles are equal radii will have the same radius from the relation. So area also you will get equal and radius also you will get equal. Now fifth question. See beta. AB is equal to PQ. PQ is equal to XY. Then AB is equal to XY. This is what? This is the axiom 1. So what is the axiom 1 is there? See, both the axiom 1, what is there means things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. This is the axiom 1. We learned in axiom time. See, if two things are equal is there? See, I am taking two equal things A, B. This is A having 5 rupees, B also having 5 rupees. Again, B and C both equal amount. B also 5 rupees means C also 5 rupees. So automatically A equal to C. This is which one? Axiom 1. What is the axiom 1 is there? Things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. So same like that. See here. Here AB is equal to PQ. AB one line is there. PQ one line is there. AB I am taking. Here PQ also I am taking. And next one more line what is there? XY line. See here. AB X Y. AB equal to PQ. I am taking AB 5 centimeter. PQ also 5 centimeter. Why means these both are equal. Next PQ equal to XY. PQ 5 centimeter means XY also 5 centimeter. Why? PQ equal to XY. Automatically AB equal to XY. So automatically AB equal to XY. This is which one? Axiom 1. Things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Axiom 1. So now you can write here things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. You can write it. Okay. Now second question. Give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? What are they and how might you define them? This is the question. Here given parallel lines. What are the parallel lines? See here, two lines, they can't meet anywhere. These two lines is the parallel lines. So you can write the definition. Parallel lines which do not intersect any point. This is the parallel lines. Next, what is there? Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means what? See here, two lines, they are meeting at 90 degree. Here all side 90 degree, 90 degree. This lines is called the perpendicular lines. You write the definition. Perpendicular lines are the lines that intersect at 90 degree. These lines are the perpendicular lines. Next, line segment. Line segment means exact measurement is there, means that is a line segment. A, B, this is a line segment. Example, this is a 5 centimeter is everything. This is a line segment. Exact measurement is there, means it is a line segment. Line segment, don't confuse line segment, line and ray. It is exact measurement is there, means line segment. Line means both side extend. So this is a line. So no end point. Here also no ending, here also no ending. This is a line. This is a ray. So now he is asking line segment, exact measurement, both side ending point is there, means it is called a line segment. You write the definition. A line segment is a part of a line having a starting and ending point. Starting point, ending point, both points ending is there, means it is called a line segment. Next, radius of the circle. See, any circle is there. Center to anywhere circle, any part joining is a radius of the circle. So now you can write the definition. A radius is a circle is a line segment from center to circle, center of the circle to any point on the circle. See here, center of the circle to any point on the circle joining is a radius of the circle. Next, square. Square means what? All sides are, see here, this is the square. What is the definition of square? All sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees, then means it is a square. Now you can write here, a square is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided diagram with 4 equal sides and 4 angles are each 90 degree. So it is four-sided diagram. So it is a quadrilateral and all sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degree.